Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to iCloud Mail on Outlook for Windows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Outlook on your Windows computer. Click on the File tab located in the upper left corner. Select Add Account from the Account Information menu. In the Add Account window, choose Manual Setup or Additional Server Types. Click Next to proceed. Select POP or IMAP and click Next. In the User Information section, enter your name in the Your Name field. In the Email Address field, type your iCloud email address. In the Server Information section, choose IMAP as the account type. In the Incoming Mail Server field, enter imap.mail.me.com. In the Outgoing Mail Server (SMTP) field, enter smtp.mail.me.com. In the Logon Information section, enter your iCloud email address in the Username field. In the Password field, input your iCloud password. Click on More Settings in the lower right corner of the window. Navigate to the Outgoing Server tab. Check the box that says My Outgoing Server (SMTP) requires authentication. Ensure that Use Same Settings as My Incoming Mail Server is selected. Next, go to the Advanced tab. In the Incoming Server IMAP field, enter 993. Select SSL from the drop-down menu for the encrypted connection. In the Outgoing Server (SMTP) field, enter 587. Select TLS from the drop-down for the encrypted connection. Click OK to close the More Settings window. Click Next to test your account settings. If everything is correct, you'll see a congratulations message indicating that your account was set up successfully. Click Close to exit the test window. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.